Get him.
I can't, come on, dude. I can't deal with that, bro. I can't fucking deal with that.
Get him, Mark. Oh, this is more coming to work today for this. 1 million fucking views. YouTube right now. YouTube that thing.
Yes, please YouTube
He's
that.
got better moves than Drake, I can tell you that much.
Hello.
You know, you gotta come on.
Just off your shoulder, Mike.
He's dusting it.
He's done.
I'm dusting off your shoulder, bro.
Oh my god.
This is down.
Are you gonna do a turn or something?
You can't make this up, bro. I've seen this happen to one other.
I'm his choreographer now. Oh, he's gaining on you.
He's just got F in the in-bed.
Whoa!
Oh shit, shirt coming off.
Whoa!
Oh shit, Mark.
Woo!
Oh, I thought that's how he was gonna back out the door.
That was gonna be his like exit.
Yeah, not the mic.
He's got the two-step down. Oh yeah, Running Man.
Guys, spin it a little bit.
Whoa!
Whoa, I missed that.
You missed it, dude.
He's getting new moves as we speak.
Oh my god.
Don't step on your
Check out
phone.
the tats.
Don't step on your phone, Mark.
Dude, he's professional, bro. You don't see this? Okay, my man's got this going on.
What are you feeding these dishwashers, man? Yeah, listen, I want to be out of here before 1. This
burning.
man instead of me.
My eyes are burning.